Hello, my name is Grace Steele. I think you will know me unless this video goes on for like years. I doubt it will, but who knows? Anything can happen. So, first off, I need to show you what we're making. We're making a balloon, an origami balloon that you can hang up. Do not put water in this. It will fall apart or just soak up. First of all, you need a rectangle-sized piece of paper. I prefer colored paper, but whatever you have. Then you should just gently make this, and all I did was just like this, and then I just creased it over. Make sure you have very sharp creases. Really rub it down, because the better your crease, the better it'll turn out in the end. Now I'll take some scissors and cut off this little slab. I can show you how, never mind. In the next video we put out, my brother will be showing us something, either how to make lemonade or something cool in origami. So now you should have this. When you fold it like that, it should fold it out. It should be a square, and then triangle. Okay, now you want to fold it out and just kind of gently rub down so it's just laying there. And then I want you to fold it over. So now you have two lines. One going from here across, and then one going from up here all the way down. Well, you get it. And then you're going to take another side like that, and you're going to fold it over again. Your corners should meet about kind of exactly, but it's fine if it's a little off. Okay, should look like this. Now, you want to take this corner and fold it to touch it the other side. Just like that. And now it should look kind of like one of those stars from Peter Pan, where it's one line in the middle and then a bunch of sprouts of stars, I guess, like little glimmers or whatever. Next, you want to, sorry, my shirt is messed up. Okay, you want to take this and then take one piece like this and then gently fold it in where it's facing inward. So it's out, and then you fold it in, touch that, and then you fold it down. I can show you again on the other side. So it should look like this right now. Whatever. And now you take the square side, and if this side comes undone a little, it's fine. But then you take the other side, gently crease it in, just like that. I can show it better in the first one, so if you need to replay how to do that, just point towards more back, like to the front, you know. Now your paper should look like this. It should have openings on the inside, like that. Okay, put it back. Now you have to take this side, one of the flaps, just one. There would be two flaps, so only take one, and reach it up to the top where it points the tip, but just on one side. Then just crease that down so it looks like this. And then the other one, just do the same thing, but just one. You want to leave the other down at the bottom, laying flat, because we still got to do the other side. Then it should look like this. If you don't have exactly this, that's fine. People make mistakes. And now you can just take this corner or any of the corners, it doesn't matter which one you take first, and just fold it in to the side like that. So it was like that, just folds in. Now just keep that in. It doesn't matter if it just gets loose for a second. You can just pat it back down. Do the exact same thing on the other side. So that's like that. It should look like that. And if it gets a little crinkled or crushed, that's fine. It'll look great finished. Now, what you gotta do is take one of the upward flaps and tuck it inside of this. You can just tuck it in there. So I'm just taking it and tucking it in. And so once it's about, let's say, to here, what I like to do, just so it doesn't show and it just makes a better look, I like to just take that last bit and fold it into that big flap. Don't force it, just slowly move it in. Just so it doesn't show as much. Just like that. See, it doesn't even look like there's something there. Now, do the same thing with the other side. I can't show it very well, like first time's the best time I can show. So if you want this part replayed, like if you didn't get it the first time, then you can just go back in the video or just pause it or whatever you feel like. And just fold that one in like so. And it just looks like that. Then you go to the other side and do the same thing you did on the first side. I can probably show you again this side. Okay, just fold, take this flap and fold it up to the top. It's pretty easy. You've got to believe in yourself. Oh, no. Messed it up a little. Oh, never mind. I didn't. Okay, so should pretty much just look like that. And then you do the same thing with the other flap. Look like this. Now, take this flap, fold it in, same with the other side. This is pretty much just a replay of the other side. We just wanted them to match. Now take top flap the one that can actually open up, and tuck it in. And then just crease that down. And then, again, what I like to do is just fold the other part just back in so it's invisible, kind of. Don't even know it's there. Unless it shows little, but it's fine. It just looks a little better. Okay, do the exact same thing with the other side. Just crease it in, tuck it in. Okay, now both sides should look the same pretty much. If they're a little different, it doesn't really matter. Now for the fun part. Okay, so one side should look like this. It should have like a little hole there. One side should just look like this. This side, okay, first of all, just flex it out and straighten it up just without breaking it or popping it, just like do that. And now take this side, blow it up, and then you have a little balloon. That's my brother, but you know. So you can make tons of these, and you can hang them from your ceiling or from your light. But they're really cute, and they're fun and easy to make. So goodbye, Steels, or future names.
Steels.
See ya.